Well, today's the day the boys have been waiting for. We're getting ready to load up and go canoeing. We are at Irby Campground and the kids are just having a blast. There's so many things to do here. They love playing in this bamboo. They love playing volleyball. We've been down to the creek. We got the tent set up. They're meeting new friends. And for boys, this is like the ultimate vacation. Wow, this is beautiful. Hey, see if you can skip a rock all the way across. How big is it? Come here, guys. Here's a big spider. Is it a tarantula? Is it a tarantula? What is it? Let me see. How big are they?
Here it is.
Oh, it's a big wood spider, isn't it?
That's a different one. It's right underneath this rock. You smash it.
No, don't smash it. No, let it live. Spider, he's not hurting anybody. All right, let's head back up. Turkey breast, that's me. They broke the limit there.
We had to pack our own lunch. We got from the bread sack. We took a bread sack, and which we did have. We had to use the brown bag. But if we tipped, all that stuff would get wet. So we put it in the bread sack, and then we tied it. And then whenever we tipped, it didn't get wet.
You like it thick or thin? Either way. Okay. You're pretty easy to please there. To be prepared for canoeing today, we're making sack lunches right now, and also we're bringing plenty of sunscreen because the sun's going to be pretty intense out on the water. Okay, hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let me help you here. Get your ears real good.
Oh yeah, he just went
Just like this hairspray.
yeah.
Like hairspray.
Everybody has to be prepared in case we flip over. Okay, so all the food items need to be tied off to something so we don't lose them. And if you guys wipe out, we'll try to catch you. Okay. So hey, if you do, oh, where's my life jacket? I need a life jacket. Where do you get those at? All right, you get in the front. There you go.
Whoa.
Bon voyage. Whoa.
I thought it was going to be scary, so, but then I decided just to come, so, yeah, it's fun.
At one point we stopped on the canoe trip and we hiked up about a quarter of a mile to this beautiful waterfall that was in this canyon where water flows right over the center and drops several hundred feet onto this big rock platform. And it was just one of the prettiest things I've ever seen in my life.
The canoe trip was about 6 hours.
No, they said night
And it
3.
was like 4. Oh, a little bit over.
3 or 4.
4 hours, I
Maybe
would say.
5. Maybe 6.
You'll never regret spending too much time with your kids or having too much time with your family. And so this is bonding moments where we come together. They know that I love them and I know that they love me, and we're spending time together. We're learning to rough it out here in the wilderness.